Hi guys and girls, welcome to another video on SEPA channel. Today we will be reviewing the Revolver Jason, or simply said, revolving punch pliers. It's made in Germany and it's proudly announced here, exactly on the front of the box. The box, it's very slim. The company that makes it, it's S&R. I'm not sure if they are very renowned for this, but they do make tools and accessories. So this is the box, very slim box. It says revolving punch pliers here, and on the other side it says it in German, and I won't attempt to say it again because I don't know how to say it. The same number, so I guess this is like the number of the product, like an item number. On the front box you have like an illustration of the pliers, and here it says from 2 millimeters to 4.5. I didn't check that, actually it doesn't say anywhere else on the box, but we will check it when we will open it. So we have basically the translation in a few other languages of what it actually is and where it was made, again in Germany, which is quite nice. And in regards to the price, it was £13.50. A Chinese one will cost you about £5. However, the quality, it's not even 50% less, it's more than that. Anyway, this is how it looks. It is quite big if you ask me, but since you're not using that all the time, it's okay. Again, it says made in Germany, just to make sure that if you throw away the box you won't forget. And here it's the company, it's S&R actually, but here it's the R, it's a bit hard to see. And the other word, which I guess it's something like precision or something, but in German, and which I won't attempt to say. So the head of the punch pliers are protected with this piece of plastic. Okay, and this is how it looks. Very simple design. It has a lock here. See if you want to lock it. Actually, if you start to use it, you don't have to actually take it out of place because it will automatically go. Here, as you can see, there is like the piece of metal which you will press against with what you need to do. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dimensions. Here on this side, sorry about that, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's a little tree in here. So if you move it, you see the arrow, so you want to move it like this. And now it's a 3.5 for this head. Now it's a 4 for this head. And now it's 4.5. I'm not sure if you can see it on the video, but this one it's 4.5. And if we rotate it once more, it goes to 2. So you have dimensions from 2 all the way up to 4.5, which is not bad, to be honest. Even the color is pleasant. I'm not sponsored, we are not sponsored from these guys, although we wouldn't mind, but everything seems very high quality apart from this. I don't know if you see here, I think it was a little bit of paint or something, but it's because it's most probably manually painted, this stuff can happen. Although it has paint everywhere, so you can't complain about that. It also says here JS, I'm not sure what that is. Okay, and the spring. Now let's put it to the test. I have this belt here. As you can see, it has already 5 holes, and it's mainly this one which is used, as you can see. And although it's not about getting slimmer or so, I do want to make 2 holes here. First of all, to test the hole puncher, and secondly, in case one day will be slimmer, then I can actually use this belt. Anyway, it's a leather belt, very good quality one. This thing is quite big, so you can see the holes are maybe 4 millimeters, but we will test that with the hole puncher. Basically, we will try to see which one fits better. This one is a little bit more enlarged because it was used. I've marked 2 holes here, so this is marked with actually with paint marker. I do recommend to just measure in between holes. They are like 1 inch, so I would recommend to just make sure that you are centered, and also you have kind of marked where you want to put the holes, because if you do it blindly, then you might not get the result and you can't revert it. So I would recommend to just mark it so you know for sure that it will be okay. So now we'll try to see which one fits. I guess this one is the best one if you ask me. So let's move it to here. So it's actually 3.5, which we are looking for. As you can see, it goes quite easily to the other side. So now what you need to do is to put the hole puncher in place. Make sure it's centered as much as you can do that. And then simply, it's not necessary to do it with 2 hands, but it will help. And as you heard, it punched right through. This is the result here. It might be 4 millimeters. Let's see if it actually works. However, if you used it once or twice, then and of course it doesn't. So that means it's 4 millimeters. There is no problem, we can still fix it. As you can see, we have rectified it, and now it actually looks as big as the other ones. We can actually test it to see if it works. So let's see. Yeah, so this one works perfectly. Yeah, not bad. And now we will do another one. So this time will have the correct size, and we need to center it as much as we can. And I guess this is quite centered here. Again, and you heard it, just wiggle it a little bit, and now we have the perfect hole inside out. We will test it one more time just to make sure. Yep, it works fine. So let's do it like we normally would. This is the final result. So this is actually on the hole puncher. If you look, it's a 4mm here. I'm not sure if you can see it. So now what we need to do, put back this, and this is the revolving punch pliers from S&R, made in Germany. Thank you for watching, guys. See you at the next video. Bye.